So, hi subscribers. Today, I am drinking Milo with banana cold shake. I made it by my own. It's actually healthy, but it's not a little healthy. Why? Because this is Milo. Okay? Now let's try it. Taste it, come on. So yummy.
Wait lang. Okay ng damit, no? Dahil ginamit ang batag. Ayun, hindi ka tuloy. Ako na. O, sige ka.
Pataas!
Hindi yan, di kasi ale, di kasi ale, di kasi ale, di kasi ale.
That is my baby sister. Try it. Let's get a spoon. Oh, we just moved that. Where need a spoon?
Ay, nag-vitamin siya. Amoy vitamin.
So we can get a banana. Okay. Get out here.
Mag-vlog ka, Lele?
So it's easy, but this one is easy. You don't need to get it. Know what is the inside?
Nagtayo kay mami.
So delicious.
Wala, mami, wala.
Wow. Yummy. If you want to make this, first you need banana, Milo, and then if you want to make it cold, you need the ice. And then if you don't want to sip the banana, you use the straw. Okay? That's what you can do. And you want to get the banana, you need this. Okay?
Amo ko nga yung maasin. Asan yung maasin?
Oh. Okay, when this is the final finish, it's almost finished. It's almost finished.
O, lahat na yan, Luke. Ay, bakit ako?
Ganun nila. Ano ko may mulo?
Okay, now let's grab the bananas. So hard to get the banana.
Kuya, look. Come. Ay, doon ka. Ay, take a bath, take a bath. Ay, baho na, oh. Babo. Babo.
Now let's try this. Oops. Daisy. So next time I should drink. Next time, what I should drink next? Comments down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Okay, thank you.